Anyways, hi guys, it's Hiko. This is my first time recording forever, and I'm with my sister.
Warrior 90 AJ.
Yeah, and this is our first time recording a video actually, in like fucking how long? Like fucking I was 14 and I'm 17 now, so it's been a long time. I'm high as hell. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm gonna make her come to my. I'm gonna go to her den, and I am.
Oh no, please,
I
not
am.
my den. This is so bad. I'm not.
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys now. You guys knew me. Like, I was here as 9Dager, X-Cat, X-Beard, You won't see that motherfucker anywhere. That person left a long time ago. I'm Danny now, and I'm, actually a male. So, that motherfucker gone. We're gonna. I'm gonna try again. I'm just gonna try again. Lena, you better accept it. Because if you don't...
I'm gonna be honest. Probably won't.
Oh,
Peacock feather. Wait, I don't even know what that's worth.
Decent long.
I don't know.
I'm kind of doing an overtrade
I
here,
never
buddy.
go on this game.
I'm doing an overtrade.
Oh, guys.
Okay, here you go.
Anyway.
Fuck you! Up the ass!
Anyway. I used to play Animaljam. I got somewhere at a point, but I just kind of left without saying anything. I don't know why, but it happened.
Yeah.
I'm very different now. I'm
Fudge.
not the same person.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choke.
Good, it's what you get, slut. Fuck.
Oh, whoa, okay. I wouldn't say that on YouTube. I wouldn't say that.
Oops. Wait, no, I fucked myself. I'm not looking to make money on YouTube, so I don't care, like, if I get in trouble for this.
It's kind of funny. I never thought of YouTube and then thought of, like, money.
Wait, where is that? Yeah! Yeah.
You need a webcam.
Yeah. Yeah, I do need it. No, I don't. I don't want to see my face.
But maybe they want to see your face.
Sure. Yeah, Danny. Damn, Danny.
How did I only get one match? I can't.
This is my first time winning this game, man.
Lucky guys. Oh.
Damn.
Oh my god, it's a tie.
It's a tie. Fudge. Okay. I decided I don't want to play marbles.
Danny, you lost your marbles.
You lost your marbles. You lost your marbles.
No? Is anyone gonna watch this?
No.
I'm gonna be honest, I wanna watch it. Wait, where am I?
Oh, it was your turn? Oh.
6.
I hate you.
Why?
I hate you. Yeah. Okay. Come on!
Monster Desert Lilies.
How about shut up?
Oh, this got selling some good price. Thank you. No.
Yeah. Yeah. No! Ah!
More than you.
I'm gonna get more than you right now.
What?
Okay, come on.
Are you gonna cheer come on so that I don't get it? Hurry up. Oh god. I can't. How does this mouse work? No! No! How does this mouse work? I'm angry. So he paused for some reason. Moral story, I won by his own doing. What?
Okay, 2 people under 1 good shortcut. 2, 1, 1, decent luck. Lena! Ah, you whore. I was doing the correct amount, my man. You just mad.
I already have a blue long.
You just mad as hell.
I already had a blue long. Like if you were to switch. Wait, I don't have a blue long. What the fuck?
Anyways, that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was horrible. Catch you later. Remember, eat fast, die fast, smoke grass, eat ass,
I'll return soon.
kill Warrior AJ.
Oh.
Done.